Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. It's me, TechyShadow, back with another coding tutorial. And today I'm gonna be teaching you guys what classes are. So classes are really interesting because they allow you to create your own database in C#. Well, it may not be such a big database like Google and all, but you can still create a database, and you can give it properties. Like your class has this property, and you can make objects with your class. So let me give you an example. Suppose you're creating a game, and you wanna add like a character. So you have to you can create a class. So let's show you guys what classes are and how to create them. So class, and then we write the name of the class. For right now, I'll just write character and then add some curly brackets. So yeah, now you can give it properties and public. Oh wait, I'm writing out the wrong area. Public int, and we'll be calling it suppose age, and we won't give the value for it right now. We will assign the value later. So yeah, basically you have created a class. This is your class. This is its property. So your class, which is a character, has a property of age. So now let's go over here and then create a object so that we can change the property as per what we want or as per what the user wants. So how to create an property? We just write character new, and this is the name of the object. We'll be just calling him new character is equal to new character, and add some brackets, and yep, you have created an object. Well done. And if you remember, I teach you guys how to make a random number generator. In that, the code went like this: random num, or anything, is equal to new random. So basically random was a class that was already in C# whenever you created the project. So you didn't have to code the class. And yeah, by the way, if you haven't seen the random video, you random number generator video, you have to check it out. It's up there. Yeah, so you can check that out. Okay, so now we have created a object. So this is the name of the object. It is new, and we want our object to change age. So new dot age is equal to, and we can write its age as suppose 50. I don't know why I just wrote it as 50. And to make sure that it's correct, we will just write console dot write line, and we'll be making it right line new dot age. Okay, don't type age as a variable. No, you have to type new dot age, because then it won't show an error. New dot age. Okay, and then add a semicolon, and let's run the program. Start debugging. So yeah, right now I have shown you a very small example of what classes can do. You can keep like multiple variables, and for those of you who are wondering why did we keep this public right here, well, because so this integer, which is age, can be accessed by the main. That's why we kept public. And then we can also add methods like what we did. What we can do in the main, we can add methods right here. Okay, it's showing some problem. Let's see what's the problem. A new expression. Which line is it? 13. What? What is the problem right here? Like it is saying that a new expression is required. I did just keep brackets right.
12 o'clock midnight.
Okay, I have fixed this. I just have to I created a new object, and so yeah, IDK, why it's showing errors, I don't know. Okay, I have to add a expression. I added a expression. Now it's still showing an error. Why? I don't know. But yeah, over here I have to change a person. Oh my god, I was stupid. Person. Yes, finally. No problems. Now please make it run. I don't know what I'm going to do if this still shows problems. Like according to me, everything over here should be correct. Yep. Yay, nothing's wrong. Woohoo. I don't know what was wrong the last time. So yeah, I just created a new character and then named it person. So yeah, now it should run, and it should say 50 because the person's age is 50. So yeah, come on. Come on, come on. Oh god, it's still loading. Yep. Yay, 50. Woohoo. Okay, so now, do you want it so that the user can say its age? Well, that's easy to do. Console dot write line, not len line. Okay. And what do you want the character's age to be? What do you want the character's age to be? Okay, and basically person dot age is equal to convert dot int 32, and then add some brackets, console dot read line brackets, and yep, everything's correct. So basically this can read the line over here, and yeah, boom, we are done. So now let's run the code. This should be correct, and this is how classes work. You can add more classes or more properties to your classes, but right now I just added one property. So yeah, what do you want the character's age to be? Let's say 80. Yeah, it prints out 80. Okay, so now we have got this done. I don't know, I'll just keep it there, I have no problem. So yeah, now we can create a method. So a method is like public void, and we'll be calling it method1 brackets, and yep. Now, okay, yeah, that I had no problem. I was like stressed out, like am I forgetting methods myself? But like, yeah, it shows some occasional errors for no reason. Yeah, okay. So in here I'll just write console dot write line. This is the first method. Or wait, what, like we should make it so that yep, let's just control X that and control V that. Oh yeah, I was stupid. You can't do that. Yeah. Or we can do one thing. We can do this, control X, and then create an integer, new integer. Integer public int age by user is equal to convert dot int console dot read line. Oh, yep. Yay. Now, why does this show an error? Uh-huh. What? You know what, this method is causing so much glitches that I don't even know why they're happening. So let's just say console.writeLine. This is the first method. You can do anything. I'm not my Visual Studio Code is getting more buggier, but yeah. This is the first method. Okay, so yeah, that's that. Okay, and now to run the method, all you have to do is console dot write line. What? No, wait, I already have that paste copied, right? Control V. Oh yeah. Okay, so yeah, what you have to do to run the method is simply type person dot method1, add some brackets, and boom, you're done. So if we run this, let's see, this should ask us the character's age, and after we have done that, and it has done being printed, now it can do the method, this method. Okay, what do you want the character's age to be? 100, 1000. Yep, this is the first method, and everything's working. So yeah, basically that's kind of it for methods. Methods are really cool. If you get the hang of it, it's going to be so much better than what you used to do, like console.writeLine and all of that. It is going to be so much better. It allows you to create your own database. It is so much better than what, like when we want to create a game and you have no idea of what classes are, and you'll be like, let's create a string uh, that will store the name and blah blah blah. That would take you so much time and so much more understanding. But right now you'll just create a class of a character or do like that. So yeah, basically that's it for methods. By the way, if we hit 3 likes on this video, I am going to add a video in which you can add kind of like a delay. Like whenever you're creating a script, you want to add delay. Like it just goes boom 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 boom. We want it to feel like more realistic. So if you get 3 likes on this video, I'm going to do that. So yeah, that's it for today. Stay safe, wear your mask, be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.